So in this video, you'll learn how to put the Sony WH-CH720N headphones back to default settings. So if you've previously customized the settings of these headphones, whether it's enabling adaptive sound or even just the auto power off, sometimes you might want to take it back to default. So the settings they had when you first purchased the headphones. So in order for you to do so, you're going to just navigate to the Sony Sound Connect app on your phone. Now, if you don't know how to connect the headphones to that app, then I'll leave a video linked in the description down below, taking you through that whole process. And then once the headphones have been connected to the app, you then want to just navigate to the device settings menu. From here, select the section System, and then scroll until you find Initialize Settings. Next, you have two options to choose from. You can choose Initialize App/Headphone Settings. This, if you choose this option, will take also the Sony app as well as the headphones themselves back to their default state. So again, any customizations that you had made on the app as well as the headphones will be taken back to default. Alternatively, you can also choose to just take the headphones themselves only back to default. So go ahead and select the option that you would prefer. And then you can see all the settings they'll take back to default. And if you're okay with it, just tap on Initialize. Confirm that it's okay for your headphones to go back to their default state. And then just select OK, and they'll be taken back to default. So now all you need to do is simply just select your headphones to re-establish the connection. And then you'll need to give the necessary permissions, such as allowing it to access your Bluetooth, confirm the pairing, and select OK. As you can see, they've been successfully reconnected to the Sound app. And so that is how you can take them back to their default settings. If you have any questions or comments that you would like answered, feel free to leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.